Welcome back to the channel, folks. It's Charlotte here, and today I'm going to be walking you around our Burstner Lyseo I736 Harmony line. So this is the 4-berth, 4-seat belt example of the Lyseo I. You've got the island bed at the back. This is the very last one we have in stock. It has proven to be a very good seller for us this year. So I'm going to talk you through some specification outside, and then we'll hop in and take a look inside and run through all the features in there. So we're measuring in at 7.36 metres in length and 2.35 metres wide. We've got our LED daytime running headlights at the front. You've also got that lovely panoramic windscreen with the A-class models just to make that road trip even more enjoyable, take in all the views. So making our way down the side, we've got our Fiat two-tone 16-inch alloys with this vehicle. You've got an external barbecue point, and you also have an external shower point. Now, despite the vehicle being an island bed, we still have a huge garage, so we'll take a look in there now. So we're into the garage, and as you can see, we have plenty of space here. So this is your island bed. If you do need that extra bit of height in the garage, you can manually adjust the bed. It's very handy. Just add your crank and twist it up to wherever you need it to be. To the other side, we have our full omnistrator awning. You have access to the garage from both sides, which is always handy to have. You've got a TV point here as well, so if you are planning to hook up somewhere nice and sunny, roll the awning out, hook up your TV out here. And you've also got your Aldi heating with your flue there. You've got an electric welcome step by the habitation door. So into the driver's seat, we have heated driver and passenger seat, which I am making use of right now. We've got our leather multifunctional steering wheel here with your cruise control, all your voice recognition, all your driver aids there too. We're built on the 9-speed automatic gearbox. In your infotainment system, it's all touchscreen. Your reverse camera's built in there. You've got your built-in sat-nav, and you've also got your Apple CarPlay with your Android Auto. So stepping into the lounge, you have a lovely open plan feel in here. You also have that touch of luxury too, just for the finish altogether. You've got your part leather and part cloth upholstery, your lovely gloss cabinetry. We've also got the Aldi winter pack in this vehicle, so you've got heated floor mats in the front. The back is powered by your Aldi heating, so that's your prestige heating system, and the heated driver and passenger seats come into play with that as well. In your kitchen area, we'll have all the amenities you need. You've got great storage in your cupboards. You've got your Thetford combi oven and grill with your 3-ring gas burner. You've got a spice rack that's built in there. And then you've got your sink and your pull-out cupboards. Behind me is your Thetford. It's 3-way fridge. It is huge. That being said, you've got full fridge here and your cooler box down below. Another great feature of our Burstner is the fact that you have the Alco chassis, so that does come with many benefits, one of them being the additional storage you get internally. So because of your double floor, you've got additional storage cupboards, so they're great for putting in shoes or anything you wish. Now, this vehicle comes with the ambient pack as well, so we do have carpets for the floor, and we've also got our scatter cushions, but they're just in the garage at the moment. So to the back of the vehicle is our washroom and our bedroom. So we've got the island bed at the back, we've got a separate shower and toilet. Now this door will close over and close the lines off from the bedroom area. You've also got a sliding door here. So essentially this turns into a nice ensuite for getting ready or unready in the mornings or evenings. Your garage is just underneath the bed, so you can raise this up. You can also slide it down, and that's just for the daytime layout if you were wanting to watch a wee bit of TV or read a book. And you've got a swivel TV bracket over here to the right. You also have one in the front lounge, so you are set up for having 2 TVs. You also have twin leisure batteries, and at the back we've got our full length wardrobes at either side with the hanging rails. You've got your 2 cupboards, and there's 2 USB points over at this side. So this is our electric drop down bed over the cab. So you simply just need to pull down your passenger and driver's seat, and this all comes down with a push of the button, and there you have your large double bed without having to move anything from your lounge. So it is very user friendly. So folks, thanks for watching. That was our Burstner Lyseo I736 Harmony line. You can view full details on this vehicle on our website, which is thompsonleisure.com. You're more than welcome to come down anytime to view all of our stock. We're open Monday to Friday 9 to 5:30. We're also open Saturday 9 to 3. If you have any further queries, drop me a wee email. It's charlotte@thompsonleisure.com. Thank you.